स्पीकर के पास गए हम एंड हमने कहा कि देखिए हम स्टूडेंट इशू पे डिस्कस करना चाहते हैं और स्पीकर ने हमें कहा कि डिस्कशन के लिए उन्हें सरकार से पूछना है। मतलब आप समझिए, स्पीकर इज टेलिंग अस दैट टू डिबेट इन पार्लियामेंट he has to take permission from the government. He is openly telling us that. ठीक है, देखिए इशू स्टूडेंट्स की है, यूथ के फ्यूचर की है, और ये जो किया जा रहा है, लोगों को मारा जा रहा है, पीटा जा रहा है, दिस इज कंप्लीटली अन इंडियन। मोदी जी has not even apologized for what has happened yesterday. Now, ये जो युवा हैं, ये एजुकेशन सिस्टम के बारे में, टेस्टिंग सिस्टम के बारे में प्रोटेस्ट कर रहे हैं। पूरा देश जानता है कि एजुकेशन सिस्टम, टेस्टिंग सिस्टम इज ब्रोकन. It has ceased to exist. Testing system has been hollowed out by termites. That is all they're saying. Nothing wrong with it. We've been saying it. I've been doing presentation after presentation about this. Why is the Prime Minister silent? What is the reason? He should apologize to the students and he should stop this nonsense of police people thrashing students. This is completely wrong.
सर, उनका हवाला देते हुए किरण रिजिजू ने कहा कि आज वो एनडीए की बैठक में प्रधानमंत्री ने कहा कि हमने त्वरित एक्शन लिया, हमने बहुत रैपिड एक्शन लिया। वी आर कंसर्न, प्राइम मिनिस्टर इज कंसर्न्ड अबाउट द स्टूडेंट्स एंड देयर फ्यूचर। एक्शन वाज टेकन, 13 people were arrested. That has been briefed by
the point is that this is no way to treat the young people of this country. The young people of this country do not have any opportunities. All the doors are closed. There is only one door which is open, which is the door of the competitive exam, and that door is also destroyed. What are these students here? They are not just complaining about the education system. They are complaining about their future. They are saying that in this country today, because of Mr. Adani and Ambani, because of the RSS complete takeover of the education system, because of the pracharaks becoming vice chancellors of universities, we have no future. That's what they're saying. This is not just about education. This is about the future of young people. They watch, they look at Mr. Ambani's wedding and they watch 1,000 crores being spent over there, and they have no money to open a business if they want. They have no future. That is what this is about. This is much bigger than simply education. This is the students of this country saying, in India, we have no future. We want a future. This is legitimate. There's nothing wrong with this. And instead of saying that, okay, we are going to work to improve the education system, we are going to work to fix the testing system, Prime Minister, I don't know what he's doing. So that's the story.
So are you going to meet the injured students?
Of course I'm going to meet the injured students.
And sir, धर्मेंद्र प्रधान की इस्तीफे से कम में आप लोग मानेंगे?
This is Dharmendra Pradhan. He's an intermediary. Absolutely, he should resign. But Dharmendra Pradhan hasn't beaten up these students. Home Minister has. He should resign. And Home Minister reports to Prime Minister. He should resign. What is going on?